Hi, my name is Troy Friesman, and I am here today with my friend and business partner, Jerry Boyd.
Hi, we want to thank you for inviting us into your home today to share with you some basic information about the powerful government-guaranteed program, the Home Equity Conversion Mortgage. But you probably heard it called the reverse mortgage.
Like we said, we're going to share some of the basics about the reverse mortgage, and I'd like to answer a lot of misconceptions that most of you have probably heard. In fact, let's listen in on a conversation between a couple of friends. Shh, listen closely.
George, how are things going?
Great. How are things for you, Jane?
Actually, things couldn't be better. I received a letter talking about that new reverse mortgage program.
Oh?
Yes, and I called the company and I set up an appointment to learn more about it. They said I wouldn't have to make any more monthly mortgage payments and that I can live in the house as long as I want. Also, that they'd give me some additional cash to have whenever I want it.
Are you sure you want to get involved in that?
Well, I think so. With the rising cost of gas and everything else, not having my mortgage payment and having extra cash sure sounds like a good idea to me.
Well, I heard they're expensive.
Really? I guess I didn't know that.
Oh, and I heard on the news that someone had a reverse mortgage and got kicked out of their house.
Well, they told me on the phone that I could live there as long as I wanted.
Do you really think they'll let you stay in the house and give you cash and you don't have to make any monthly payments? There is no free lunch.
Yeah, you might be right.
Besides, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, right?
What just happened? A well-intentioned friend, a family member, or advisor just perpetuated some of the most common misconceptions about the reverse mortgage program. Let's go over them.
First of all, the program is backed by FHA, the Federal Housing Administration, ensuring that you will always own your home and can live there as long as you want. When you decide to move out of the house permanently or pass, your heirs will inherit the home just like they would today. Secondly, reverse mortgages are seen as expensive, and they are if you're planning on only being in your home 1 to 2 years. Most seniors are planning to be in their home longer than 2 years. If that's your situation, we can show you how reverse mortgages are actually the most cost-effective way to have access to a monthly income without a monthly payment.
Finally, is it too good to be true? Well, it may feel that way to some, but it is good and it is true. Of the hundreds of clients of ours, not one has ever said, "Troy, I wish I had never taken out the reverse mortgage." Well, let's touch on a couple more things about the reverse mortgage, Jerry. You know how people sometimes ask what the money can be used for? How do you answer that?
Troy, the one word is anything. It's your money. It's your tax-free money. Did I mention tax-free? You can use it for medical expenses, credit card bills, travel, home improvement, purchasing vacation properties. Give it to your kids. Virtually anything. Even give it to me.
Yeah, well, some people think that having a mortgage on the home now would disqualify them.
One of the best things about reverse mortgages is that the proceeds will pay off any existing mortgages and eliminate your monthly payments. This will increase your cash flow.
Well, Jerry, you just hit on a great point, cash flow. Well, cash flow is making the cash liquid so it can flow into your wallet and then flow out of your wallet to purchase the things you want and need. Now, no matter what stage of life you are in, if you don't have positive cash flow, it really makes it hard to enjoy life. You know, many people like to have their house free and clear and are struggling to keep up with their bills.
Right, you can have all kinds of home equity, but have you ever tried to take the front door down to the grocery store and buy groceries? It doesn't work. You need to turn the equity into cash before you can use it.
So now, Jerry, they've turned their hard-earned equity into cash they can use. How do they get it?
Troy, there's 3 combinations how the cash is available to you. You can take it in a lump sum. Sometimes that doesn't make sense, so there are 2 other options. The second option is a guaranteed monthly payment. With this program, you get monthly payments for as long as you live in the home. Let me repeat that. As long as you live in the home. The third way is a reverse mortgage line of credit. This is different from the lines of credit you may be familiar with because with the reverse mortgage line of credit, you never have to make monthly payments and the amount of cash available to you increases every year. This option gives you flexibility to take as much or little cash as you need each month. Finally, you can do a combination of the previous 3 ways.
It's amazing how many people are taking advantage of this opportunity. Reverse mortgages are being used in so many ways to improve the quality of life of our seniors, and many savvy seniors are using the reverse mortgage as a financial planning tool.
There's so much about reverse mortgages to share, and I'm so excited about them, I could go on forever.
I agree, Jerry, but these fine folks probably have enough of the basics, and now it's time to drill into the specifics.
You're right. Everyone's situation is just a little different. In fact, I've never seen 2 exactly the same.
This is the best part. We take the information you gave us, and we put together a program that shows exactly how everything works in your specific situation. Everything is based on your age, the home value, and the interest rate at the time.
Is there anything else?
Well, now is a great time to find out more about the program. Whether or not it fits your specific situation, at least you'll know the truth about this great opportunity. Give us a call at 866-800-0280 or visit us on the internet at www.moneywise123.com and start living the retirement you deserve. When do you want to get your life back?